स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट एंड मार्केटिंग मिक्स। इन आवर डे टू डे वी फाइंड मैनी प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ यूटिलाइज लाइक ब्रेड, बटर, बिस्किट, चीज़, पेन्स, नोटबुक, बुक्स, स्कूटर, मोबाइल फ़ोन। बस कहते हैं कि लास्ट जो हम जस्ट थिंक अबाउट फॉर देयर ऑर्गन, who are the receiver and the supplier, by what name they are now to the market. Answer of this question are really very simple. Anybody can tell them. As the product from the market, their receiver now to the customer, supplier is known as the seller या marketer. 3 words करेंगे बेटा हम, मार्केट, कस्टमर और मार्केटर। ट्रेडिशनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कहता है ऑर्डरली मार्केट का एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस है where the buyers and the sellers get together and make deals regarding sale or purchase. It is clear that a particular stress is laid upon the physical place, जिसे किस नाम से पुकारा जाता है, बाजार। But the reality existence of the physical place is not necessary, but is essential is to get together the customer and the seller. Therefore, it is not necessary that they should be meet in a particular place. They can meet, analysis, so that face-to-face conversation presence is not required. For example, the deal about buying and the selling of the can be accomplished or finalized even on the telephone through the letter of through the medium of the internet. We can have the transaction through the medium of internet from any place and any body. Modern view. According to the modern view, market refers to the group of the real and the potential buyer. पोटेंशियल का मतलब है इच्छुक, बायर्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज। फॉर एग्जांपल, ए कार ऑफ न्यू मॉडल इज रेडी फॉर सेल। ऑल दोज पीपल आर डिजायर परचेजिंग द कार, कंसिडर सम ऑफ इट्स वैल्यू, will be the called the market. Similarly, the book entitled Business Study published by the BK Global Publication Private Limited will consider those who buy the books and those who wish to buy the product from the market. Customer happens to be the integral part of the market. A market cannot be thought of without the presence of the customer. कस्टमर को आपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर आप उन्हें पहले सेटिस्फाई करते हैं उनकी नीड से। द कस्टमर यूजली गेट इन द कॉन्टैक्ट विद द दोज मार्केटर हु कैन सप्लाई देम द प्रोडक्ट देन द रिक्वायर और द सर्विसेज. They are ordered to satisfy their needs. The needs of the customer can be very said that they included the necessity of the life like the roti, kapda or makan. They can be some different nature. Customers are now different name. For example, wholesale customer, male customer, female customer, infant customer, young customer, oldest customer, rich customer, lower income customer. Next आता है marketer. A marketer means a person or organization who provide goods or services to satisfy the needs of the customer. It would be proper to say that customer wants satisfaction while a marketer supply from him to the satisfaction. It has been therefore be the rightly said that the customer is a satisfaction seeker and the marketer satisfaction provider. Haldiram Archie's Gift Gallery and the marketer Haldiram Gift Gallery taste word of the customer, while the Archie's Gift Gallery of Gift Gallery their needs their the greeting cards. Goods marketer. Hindustan Unilever Limited sells various types of the shampoo, bathing soap. It is the good marketer. Services marketer. There are the many marketer like the Punjab National Bank, Citibank, Indian Airlines who do not sell any product any provide the services. They are called the services marketer. Next आता है marketing. अलग अलग तरीके से लोगों ने मार्केट को डिफाइन किया हुआ है. ए मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल कंसिडर द सेलिंग वाइल सम पीपल प्रेफर्स टू कॉल इट शॉपिंग. मार्केट का एक सम टोटल है ऑल दोज एक्टिविटीज़ का जिसके अंदर मूव्स होती है गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज फ्रॉम द प्रोड्यूसर टू द कंज्यूमर. दीज एक्टिविटीज़ चीफली इंक्लूड द फर्स्ट गैदरिंग एंड द एनालिसिस मार्केट इंफॉर्मेशन, मार्केटिंग प्लानिंग, प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन एंड ग्रेडिंग, पैकेजिंग एंड लेबलिंग एंड द ब्रांडिंग. नेक्स्ट हम करेंगे कि क्या कहना चाहते हैं डेफिनेशंस ऑफ द मार्केटिंग के अंदर. फ्लिप कॉटलर कहता है मार्केटिंग इज़ द सोशल प्रोसेस बाय विच इंडिविजुअल एंड द ग्रुप ऑब्टेन what they need and want, and creating offer and freely exchange the product as well as the services value of the others. Features of the market. Need and want. Marketing is the process of fulfilling the needs and the want of the consumer. This is the why people get attracted to the process. All the people have some almost the same needs, but their wants happen to be the different. Feeling hungry. Feeling hungry कहते हैं कि जो their wants happen to be different is need, but satisfy their eating only sambar and dosa is want. A seller try to find out the needs of the consumer and how those needs to be the satisfied. Creating marketing offer. The second features of the marketing create offering. It refers to providing complete information about the product and services, providing information about the name and the product, services, type, price, size, same, center availability. A good market offer is always presence, keeping in the mind the needs and the priority of the consumer. Customer value. A buyer analyzes the cost and the satisfaction of the product before buying it. When he or she finds the satisfaction it provides outweighed, it can be factors only then he or she buy it. The seller should manufacture the product keeping in the tendencies of the customer. A seller does not pay attention to the importance that buyer pay the producer, he show a lag behind in the race of the competition. Exchange mechanism. एक्सचेंज के अंदर स्पेशल इंपॉर्टेंस क्या, मार्केटिंग के अंदर लिटरली मीनिंग मार्केट के एक्सचेंज ऑफ द थिंग्स. मार्केटिंग के टू साइड्स होती है, बायर एंड द सेलर्स. मार्केटिंग बिकम पॉसिबल ऑन द मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज बिटवीन द टू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द seller gives goods and services exchange of the buyer gives money to something equivalent. These days the distance between the place of the production and the place of the consumption increase. इसके अंदर आपको फॉलोइंग थिंग्स दी हुई है इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट, द परसेंस ऑफ द टू साइड्स आपके पास दिया हुआ है कि